Well, folks, it's Babber from Babber's Big Ideas, and here's a really good idea, especially for some home decoration. Check this out. Here's a quick view of a feature wall using the barn board that I'm going to show you how to make. It's very easy and beautiful. Let's get started. This is my nephew, Ethan. And he is going to demonstrate how to rake this wood up to make it look weathered. So here's the rake. Let's show the rake there. And on the back side. So it's just a bunch of screws randomly selected on a piece of board. And you just start raking it across. Now we make the wormholes. There you go. Nice. So you can actually get all your aggression out, if you have any, on this piece of lumber. And then if you have any other random tools that you can just hit it with, like a hammer, so from this, to this, using Minwax wood finish, provincial, again. So this is what that board looks like when it's done. This one piece here is ready to go here once the door's out. But could make a really nice feature wall. So here's a really nice feature wall. So you can stagger the ends too, especially when you have a large wall like this one. Well, I hope that's given you some ideas there, folks. Anyway, this is Babber from Babber's Big Ideas. Until next time, bye.